How to set the Google Messaging app as your default messaging app for Samsung phones with Android 13 or Android 14. Let's get started. In order to set the Google Messages app as your default messages app, you'll want to use the quick panel access and go into the main settings here. Then you'll use the search settings right here, tap on that once, and type in the words default apps, okay? And this is going to show up like that for you here. And you'll tap on that one time. This will take you to the default apps section and go into it. Go down to where it says SMS apps. You'll go down here. And this one in particular is the Google Messages one. So out of the box or at default, this is the Samsung one. And if you want to set it to the Google Messages, you'll switch it to that there. Okay. And let's just say if you have it set to that here and you have your Google Messages app somewhere in your phone itself here. I will look for that quickly here. And when you tap on it here for the first time, it's going to load up like this here. And it'll also ask you if you want it to be set as your default messages app. Okay. Right there. And you can just switch it over to that and you're good to go. And that's that. Like and sub.